For over a century, conventional medicine has viewed the human body as a biochemical engine, driven by sequential molecular reactions. This model, however, struggles to explain how billions of cells coordinate complex growth across different tissues simultaneously. In the time it takes for chemicals to diffuse, the body has already performed thousands of synchronized repairs. Soviet biophysicists proposed that a faster system is at work, an invisible, instantaneous electromagnetic blueprint that governs biological life. The search for this electric reality began a century ago in 1920 St. Petersburg, triggered by observations of a simple vegetable. If these electromagnetic networks exist, they represent a layer of biological communication that the biochemical model hasn't yet explained. In 1923, embryologist Alexander Gurwitch was working in a St. Petersburg laboratory. His experiment was simple. He placed two growing onion roots side by side, separated by a glass barrier, with one aimed directly at the other's shaft. He observed a surge in cellular division on the target root, specifically where the second root pointed, despite no physical contact. Gurwitch concluded that the dividing cells were emitting ultra-weak bursts of ultraviolet radiation, which he termed mitogenic rays. This led to his theory of the morphogenic field, suggesting that life uses light and frequency as a spatial map to guide the growth of living tissue. By isolating these emissions, Gurwitch provided the first evidence that biological processes are guided by energetic signals. During the Cold War, the Soviet Academy of Sciences expanded this research into radio waves. This photograph shows scientists operating the analog vacuum tube machinery used to investigate these frequencies. Using tools like this vintage analog oscilloscope, researcher Nikolai Devyatkov found that biological tissue responds to specific millimeter wave resonance windows. These findings suggested that every organ in the human body possesses its own unique vibrational frequency. This research eventually moved into the Soviet space program. As these cosmonauts required constant monitoring in orbit, engineers needed a way to track their health without invasive testing. They developed quantum entropic logic, a model where cellular disorder, or entropy, destabilizes an organ's electromagnetic signature, as seen in this visualization. By reading these biomagnetic shifts, Soviet space algorithms attempted to predict functional illness before physical symptoms appeared in the cosmonauts. After the Soviet Union collapsed, these aerospace databases and biophysical theories transitioned into the commercial wellness sector. Today, this manifests as handheld quantum resonance magnetic analyzers, where a patient holds a cylindrical biosensor rod connected to a laptop. As shown in this medical data node visualization, the software measures weak skin microcurrents and compares them against a database of normative organ frequencies. This comparison produces a snapshot of the body's current energetic balance. While mainstream clinical science continues to debate the diagnostic accuracy of these commercial devices, the historical biophysics behind them is well documented. From the 1923 onion root experiments to Cold War resonance studies, Russian biophysicists spent decades mapping the body's electrical reality. Beneath the chemical surface of biology lies an active electromagnetic network, a field of resonance we are only recently starting to measure.